Smile, sweet, sister, sadistic, surprise, savage.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about why Instagram feminist comedy sucks. So, if you already don't know what feminist comedy actually is, let me tell you what you're missing out on. Basically, there's a vaguely attractive female generally with a really annoying voice talking about how all her life problems are caused by a brown boy. I think you guys know who I'm talking about. It's obviously Sakshi Shivdasani. Well, to be honest, it would be wrong on my part to call someone out about what they can't control. Obviously talking about her voice, but like even she knows what I'm talking about, so I think it checks out. Let's actually check out her content which she posts on Instagram.
The boy I'm talking to can only respond to one of the two messages I send him at a time, but thinks he can handle two women at the same time. Like, babe, make up your mind.
Ah yes, of course it's the boy she's talking to. Boy, oh boy, do we have a problem here. The absolute classic.
The boy I'm talking to, the boy I'm talking to is the boy I'm talking to, the boy I'm talking to, the boy I'm talking to, the boy I'm talking to says, the boy I'm talking to says.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
I mean, you both are at fault since he's talking to other females, but at the same time, you're not giving up on him. So, yeah, that's that. Let's just go on to the next video.
I love those friend groups with 3 people in them, because when you go to your 2 friends for advice, you know that they're not going to give you the same advice, right? One person is going to give you the mature, adult, rational, practical perspective. The other person is going to like hype you up to do the dumb shit that you want to do. So either way, no matter what you pick, you're only pissing one of them off. And if they do give you the same advice, then your decision is already made. So
How about having 2 mature friends who don't get pissed off when you don't take their advice? Look, I know it's a joke about group dynamics and whatnot, but please cut somebody out of your life if you're not able to put up with them. If that's possible, of course.
was it even an Indian family function if you and your girl cousins didn't bounce into a room for 40 minutes and create a whole ass choreography to some Bollywood song while the boys kept coming and trying to interrupt and then perform it in front of your entire family wearing makeshift outfits made from your mama's dupatta?
No, it wasn't a family function, regardless if you did or did not do a whole ass dance choreography. Also, I'm gonna ask, what the hell is up with those hand signs, man? I don't know if it's to seem cool or anything, but the way I see it, she's either in a gang or she's doing those Naruto Rasengan or whatever. What? I didn't watch Naruto, man. Don't judge me. I'll watch Naruto someday.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Alright, so I think that's enough of Sakshi Shivdasani. Everybody give me a round of applause for actually surviving through that. So the next feminist comedian I'm going to talk about now is Vriddhi Patwa. Sorry for absolutely butchering your last name, but yeah. So Vriddhi is a 16-year-old feminist comedian. She is known on Instagram for her reels and yet again her voice. So let's see what Vriddhi's content is.
I hope everyone has a good day except that person who decided to ask questions right when the class was about to end.
So like, you don't want the person to clear their doubts just because you want the class to end early? There's a lot of grey area in that joke. I mean, there could be another way the person could have asked their doubt. But no, I will not simp. Nope, you are wrong. You are wrong. I will not simp. Moving on.
So you're telling me he cheated on you? Well, go for his best friend, baby, because you gotta support your man in everything he does.
I don't know what to say at this point. So if something bad happens to you which is caused by someone else, you should be the better person and forget about it, right? Right? Wrong. Vriddhi said you should do something much worse to counter the bad thing that happened to you. So both of your lives get ruined. I'm already liking Vriddhi's content, man. Let's go.
So I'm gonna teach you guys how to act like a desi boy after a breakup. First, post and listen to the entire album of Kabir Singh. Second, play the victim card even though you're completely opposite of that. Third, tell everyone, bro, I don't give a fuck because I never really liked her.
See, this is exactly the problem here. Let's see the bigger picture here for a bit. Preeti's fan base is mostly consisted of 13 or 14-year-old girls. And Preeti posts something like this which degrades men or generally anything. It might make a huge impact on her fan base. Instead of asking doubts in class, they'll try to get it over with just because Preeti did it or talked about it in her reels. So the next part of my video is going to get a little offensive, so this is a trigger warning basically. So if you are easily offended, please exit this video right now and yeah, get ready. So now you, my friend, want to be an Instagram feminist comedian, huh? All you have to do is follow the steps that I tell you. First, be a girl. The most important thing to become an Instagram feminist comedian is to be a girl. Since women are the one thing that unites all Indian men, exploiting this trait is vital to success. 2. Don't be utterly ugly. You just have to look like an average human being because apparently it's enough to catch a simp's attention. 3. Learn all the hand signs. However, this has a slight spin-off. While learning the signs, you might accidentally open a portal to some anime universe and destroy the whole freaking planet. Be in the age group of 15 to 17. It has been proven that a minor's opinion is far more powerful than even a Bengali's opinion. 5. Don't even try to be funny. The first 4 points that I stated above shall get you through this one. 6. Talk about how men are trash because nothing else captures the attention of simps, incels and girls who want validation like talking about how men are trash. And now, you are ready to become a verified Instagram feminist comedian. For real, whatever I said above was just a joke. It's all criticism. I do not want to spread any hate against Sakshi or Preeti. I think I'm going to get death threats after this video. I mean, I said some pretty offensive things which are obviously not supposed to be taken for real. But since we live in India, I think things might go... Yeah. I just want to say, if their content is blowing up, it's blowing up. I already said all the things that I think is wrong with this kind of content. I just realized that this video has a lot of potential to be actually seen by Preeti. So if you're watching, hi, I just want to say that I actually just want to grow my channel and all the things that I said are just a joke. Also, I don't know how to say this, but well, I like Alright then, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Looking at the content that others are making right now and gaining so many subscribers, followers, I barely think that there's any hope for me, but well, we'll just see how this video does. Major thank you to Even Shrimper on Instagram. I stole a lot of content from him, just wanted to put it out there. Aditya, if you're watching, big fan sir, please notice me senpai. Check out Aditya's Instagram, link in the description down below. Buy his book. Also, sorry if my voice is too rough today. I don't know what has caused this, but I feel like it's annoying in some way, but whatever, you've already watched the video, so yeah. Also, a few announcements and apologies. Firstly, sorry for not uploading videos in whole of October. I know I said that there would be loads of content, but I've been sad and tired, so I couldn't make videos then. And I think I'm thinking of doing facecam live streams when I hit 500 subscribers, so let me know what you guys think about it. Smash like, subscribe, comment something funny down below, share this video with your dank friends, and follow me on Instagram. My handle is on the screen right now. Alright then, see ya in the next video. Bye.